Lesson 3. The topics covered in this lesson are talking to someone directly, yes and no, and, now, masculine and feminine nouns, adjectives with singular nouns, and finally, living. Talking to someone directly using the word ya. So the word ya is a vocative particle used to call someone's attention or address someone directly. It is similar to oh or hey in English, but it's more versatile and widely used. Here are some of the common uses of this word. It can be used to call someone by name. For example, you can say Ya Muhammad, ta'al hina. Ya Muhammad, ta'al hina. And this means hey Muhammad, come here. Or you can also use it to express emotion and longing. For example, you can say Ya Allah, Ya Allah, and this means oh God. Or you can also use it Ya Salam, Ya Salam, and this means wow, amazing. Can also be used in poetic or emotional contexts. It adds a sense of formality, emphasis, or appeal to the sentence. So you can say Ya Habibti, Ya Habibti, or Ya Habibi. This means oh my beloved. And now let's learn how to say yes and no in Sudanese Arabic. So to say yes, say aywa, and to say no, say la. In Sudanese Arabic, the word for yes and no are straightforward. There are two ways to say yes in Sudani. You can say aywa, or you can say I. Aywa, I. So this is the most common way to say yes in Sudanese Arabic, and it is used in formal and casual settings. And to say no in Sudanese Arabic, just say la, la. Similar to the modern standard Arabic, this is the standard way of saying no in all contexts. Now let's learn how to say and in Sudanese Arabic. So there are two sounds for this word. You can say u, or you can say wa. I'll let you know now when to say u and when to say wa. So in Sudanese Arabic, the word u, pronounced as u or wa, is highly versatile conjunction with several uses depending on the context. So the word and is typically pronounced as u. So this is the most common way to say and in Sudani, just u. But when it is followed by the definite article al, or this means the, then it is pronounced as wa. So and used as a conjunction is primarily used to connect words, phrases, or sentences similar to and in English. So you can say the wedding of Ahmed and Sally, and that should be عرس أحمد و Sally. عرس أحمد و Sally. Or if you want to say I went to the market and the bank, I went to the market and the bank. See, and here is followed by the article the, which is al in Sudanese Arabic. So it should be pronounced like this. أنا مشيت السوق والبنك. أنا مشيت السوق والبنك. Don't say u. It is also used to swear by something, often followed by the name of God or something revered. So if you want to say, I swear to God, I don't know. والله أنا ما عارف. It can also indicate actions happening simultaneously. So if you want to say he drank coffee while listening to music, then just say هو شرب قهوة و سمع موسيقى. هو شرب قهوة و سمع موسيقى. It is pronounced as u here because it is not followed by the article al. Okay, so just say u, and this is the most common way to say and. Sudanese Arabic frequently uses u at the beginning of sentences for storytelling or adding flow. So if you want to say, and then the witch appeared, and then the witch appeared, just like English. So you say in Sudani, وبعدين السحارة ظهرت. وبعدين, and then, وبعدين السحارة ظهرت. And in some idiomatic expressions, wa takes on informal or playful tones. Like if you want to say, oh no, or oh my God, just say in Sudani, why? Why? And now let's learn how to say now or just now using the word hassi. So in Sudanese Arabic, the word for now is hassi. Hassi. It is commonly used in both casual and formal contexts to indicate the present moment. So for example, if you want to say, I'm coming now, just say, hassi jai. Hassi jai. Or if you want to say, I'm at home now, just say, أنا في البيت هسي. أنا في البيت هسي. And sometimes it is pronounced as hassa. Hassa. And it's also used interchangeably in certain regions or contexts. And in Sudanese Arabic, hassi, meaning now, is often used in contexts where English would use just to indicate a recent action, like you just did something, mostly used with verbs in the past tense. I just drank, I just went out, they just ate, okay? So if you want to say they have just gone out, just say hum maragu hassi. Hum maragu hassi. Or if you want to say he just had breakfast, just say hu fatar hassi. Hu fatar hassi. And now let's learn something very important in Arabic in general, which is masculine and feminine nouns. المذكر المؤنث. In Sudanese Arabic, all nouns are either masculine or feminine. And this distinction affects how adjectives and verbs agree with them. So generally, masculine nouns do not have a specific marker, while most feminine nouns end in a. A. This is called ta marbuta in the Arabic language. A, ta marbuta. So this is the marker for feminine nouns. If you see an a or this shape in Arabic, then it is automatically a feminine noun. Now let's learn how to identify masculine and feminine nouns. Now let's talk about nouns that are masculine or feminine by meaning. So some nouns are inherently masculine or feminine because they refer to people. So if I say walad, meaning boy, this is automatically a masculine noun, okay? If I say bit, meaning girl, so this is a feminine noun because it refers to a female, a girl. And if I say the word khawaja, khawaja is a word that means a foreign man, okay, in Sudanese Arabic. So this is a masculine noun because it refers to a male foreign man. So even if you notice, it still ends with the A, but it's still masculine because it refers to a male, okay? So this is what it means by meaning. Number 2, feminine nouns ending in a, ta marbuta. So most feminine nouns have the ending a, ta marbuta. Example, madrasa, see the A there, kadisa, cat, tarabeza, table. All of them have this ending, ta marbuta ending. So therefore they are all feminine. And now masculine nouns without a specific marker. Unlike feminine nouns, most masculine nouns do not have a clear ending that marks them as masculine. So when you say bet, see this just ends with the letter T. So therefore it's masculine noun. And then kalib, meaning a dog. Okay, so this is a masculine noun because it does not have any feminine marker or any specific marker. As well as the word akil, meaning food, same, should be masculine noun because it doesn't have any marker. Some nouns are feminine by nature, even though they do not follow the usual a ending. So this must be learned separately. So you just need to know them. For instance, if you the noun for war in Sudani, harib. So harib is a feminine noun by nature. Honestly, I don't know how to explain this, but it's just something that you just need to know. That if you're going to talk about this word, harib, war, you need to use adjectives that are feminine or verbs that are feminine to go with it. Okay, so it's something that you just need to memorize. And then the word nar, meaning fire, is also feminine. And the word shamis, the sun, also is a feminine noun. Okay, you just need to know them. There are many of them, but you just need to learn them separately. Now let's learn how to add adjectives to singular nouns. So in Arabic, in Sudanese Arabic, adjectives must match the gender of the noun they describe. Just now I just told you that nouns are either masculine or feminine. So if the noun is masculine, the adjective remains in its base form or should be masculine as well. Where if the noun is feminine, then the adjective would take also the feminine ending a, the ta marbuta. So masculine noun, masculine adjective, feminine noun, feminine adjective. Adjectives always come after the noun they describe, unlike in English, where we say a big house, but then in Arabic we say house big, بيت كبير, بيت كبير. It's just like Spanish as well. So remember, okay, the adjective always comes after the noun, not before the noun. Now, for masculine nouns, the adjective is used in its basic form. Example, بيت كبير, meaning a big house. ولد طويل, meaning a tall boy. كلب شرس, meaning an aggressive dog. So now, using the same adjective we just used in the previous slide, big, كبير, طويل, tall, شرس, aggressive, we're going to add the same adjectives to feminine nouns. So for feminine nouns, the adjective takes a ta marbuta, the feminine ending a, at the end to match the noun. So using the same adjective again, كبير, مدرسة كبيرة, a big school. بنت طويلة, a tall girl. كديسة شرسة, an aggressive cat. Because all these nouns are feminine, therefore all the adjectives are also going to be feminine by adding the feminine ending to the basic form of the adjective. Now, even though some feminine nouns do not end with a, they still take feminine adjective. So remember the nouns that I told you that you need to learn separately, like fire and the sun and war. You need to also add feminine adjectives to them. So if you want to say a strong fire, just say nar قوية. And then if you want to say the sun or the shining sun, just say الشمس ساطعة. الشمس ساطعة. Or if you want to say a dangerous war, say حرب خطيرة. حرب خطيرة. Okay? So the rule is very simple. Masculine noun, masculine adjective, feminine noun, feminine adjective. And finally, let's learn this word living in Sudanese Arabic, which is sakin. In Sudanese Arabic, the word sakin means living or residing, and it is an adjective or an active participle that changes based on the gender and number. So the masculine form of this word is sakin, and then the feminine form is sakna, and then the plural form is saknin. Here are some examples. I, male, live alone. If you want to say I live alone and you are a male, say أنا ساكن براي. أنا ساكن براي. I live alone. أنا ساكن براي. And if you want to say she lives in Durman, say هي ساكنة في درمان. هي ساكنة في درمان. And if you want to say we are living or residing near the market, say نحن, because نحن is a plural pronoun, we. نحن ساكنين قريب من السوق. نحن ساكنين قريب من السوق.